guys! Are you wondering how to invite a new user to your team? Here's a quick tutorial. Follow all steps for a correct setup from the beginning to the end. First, click Create a new user in the Users and Team settings. This setting is accessible only for the master account. Fill in all the information and email address and hit the Save and Continue button. Select apps you would like to share with your new teammate. Hit the Save button. Now let's have a look at a ground access and assign roles for each connected account.
In the Data Sources tab, define which profiles and roles to these pages the new user should have. You can set 2 roles for each page, Scheduler role and Reply role. There are 3 types of Scheduler role: Editor, Client, Admin. Chosen role will determine what the user can see or edit in the Scheduler app. There are also 3 types of Reply role: Editor, Operator, and Manager. The chosen role will determine how the user can interact with the incoming messages in the Community Management app. You have 3 checkboxes in the Access settings. App Installation – allow the teammate to create new apps in his account. Report – allow the teammate to access the report builder. CRM – allow the teammate to access the CRM function. Save it and continue.
Last but not least, send invitation. Go to the Invitations tab and click the Send and Invite button. And that's it. Good job! Now you need to wait for your new teammate to activate their account. Now it's time to show you how to join ZoomSphere if you are a new user.
The invitation will be sent to the user's email address. It needs to be accepted by clicking the Join ZoomSphere button. The user needs to create a password. Please note, the password needs to meet all the requirements to activate the account. Click the Activate button.
And that's it! The activation has been completed and your new teammate can start working with the ZoomSphere. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us via the in-app chat or on our email support@zoomsphere.com. Have a nice day!